They've done lots of activities. They've had a go at making bracelets, using lots of herbs to dye them. We've had a go at grinding corn to make flour for bread. We've also had a go at the weaving looms, turning wool into threads, and we've just been doing some trading in the trading post, so the children are just choosing their gifts now. So currently we're learning about history at school, so we've already done the Stone Age and the Bronze Age, and we're moving on to doing the Iron Age. So when the children go back to school, they're going to really benefit from being able to draw back on the experiences that they've had at Celtic Harmony. When we start talking about the Celts and what they're up to, they're going to remember all the things that they've done here, which is going to really help them with their learning and kind of getting it into their long-term memory, which will be great. We've had such a good day out. The children have been smiling non-stop, and they're talking about all the things that they've been doing. They're just having lots of fun, big smiles on their faces. So yeah, no, it's been a really good day out. I would absolutely recommend the farmer experience. We're in year 3 and we're currently learning about the Stone Age and history, and it really covers everything that's on the curriculum at the moment, and the children are going to really benefit from these hands-on experiences that they've had.